Hello everyone. Welcome today. Today I've told you earlier on Wednesday, March the 16th, 2022. We have in this daily newspaper no extra puzzles, no additional, only 3 regular puzzles, and I've decided to finish those puzzles in the edition of Thursday, March the 3rd, 2022. Yeah, it's not the yesterday's newspaper, but quite, I think, more than 1 week ago, because we have several days in a row not receiving the additional, and I think the publisher, because the endemic, we have an endemic here. There's still corona here in Holland, but all the restrictions, you don't have to use face masks anymore. Testing is not anymore, and so I think the publisher will stop with the extra puzzles, the additional. I'm feeling that he want to stop the extra puzzles, the additional. So I've a lot of puzzles in the last 2 years that are not finished in my archive. So let me finish this one on Thursday, March the 3rd. 4 puzzles left: One Star, the 2 stars, Tectonic, and the binary. First, I will solve the One Star Sudoku and number 4266 here. 4266. This is 4. Okay. 4266. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. Correct. For One Star puzzle, we have 27 printed digits. And for One Star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the 2 in this row, the 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Alright. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there, 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there, 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay. How about I'm thinking. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Well. 5 in this column. Last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. In the last column, one of the missing number is the 2. The 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in the last column. One of the missing number is the 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in the last column should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Alright. Then how about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, the 3, and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the last column? These 2 boxes are left. The 3, the 6, 3, and the 6 are missing. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Alright. Then. How about Yeah. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Okay. All right. Then, how about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in the last row, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. No 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. 1 digit left in the last, in this column should be the number 9. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a wow. Made a mistake. Was not the 4 and the 3 in these 2 boxes, but the 4 and the 7 are missing. 4 and the 7. We have a 4 there, so this cannot be 4. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Let me correct this. Almost made a mistake. Okay, so this should be a 7. Okay, let me correct this first. 7. Alright, so here 2 numbers left. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9 and 3. Okay. 1 box left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah. 5, 5. Okay. 6 and wow, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We see here 6 in this third row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6. Oh wait, I cannot continue with 6. Need to wait. Yeah. 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 3. Okay. So we have a 7 in the first row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1 is missing. Yeah, 1. So we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1 and 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes in there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box gives me 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 9. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box gives me 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Wow. Little bit slower than I've expected, but maybe I've talked too much in the beginning. Well, I'm pleased. It's solved again. Yes. I solved it again. Yes. Thank you for watching. And if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Just leave a comment. Well, we have here the 3, 1, and the 9, 3, 1, and 9, 3, 1, and 9, 4, 2, 4, 9, and a 6, 4, 9, and a 6, and 6, 4, and a 5, 6, 4, and a 5. Alright. Here we have the 6 as a pair, the 9 as a pair, and the 4 as a pair. 3 pairs. Amazing. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up again. Otherwise, thumbs down. Well, I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. It will be a 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.